Read this yourself. Pause the video. Seriously, pause the video here. Try to figure out the answer. We're going to go over the individual parts, break it down, and find out if this is true or false. So, in a 10GBASE-T network, which stands for 10 gigabit per second base, and then this is a twisted pair copper cabling wire network cable, category 6 or Cat6 UTP, unshielded twisted pair cabling, supports a 12 gigabit per second data transfer rate at a limited range of 35 to 55 meters. This is true for Cat6. So Cat6 can do 10 gigabits per second data transfer. That 10GBASE-T does mean 10 gigabit per second data transfer, and that is correct for Cat6. And you can use UTP, unshielded twisted pair, or STP, shielded twisted pair. But it has a range of 35 to 55 meters, and this is also true. It depends on a kind of alien crosstalk, any kind of electromagnetic or really any interference that's surrounding the outside wire, or the inside wire from the outside. But Cat6A, which is category 6 augmented cabling, allows 10 gigabit per second transfer rate over an entire cable length of 100 meters. Well, this is true. The augmented version of Cat6 is an improvement on Cat6, where you can transfer 10 gigabit per second over a whole standard cable length of 100 meters.